So hello everyone, once again today we are going to see how we can run Google Ads for display advertising campaign type. Now you might be thinking why we should use display advertising campaign type when we have search campaign type, performance max, then demand gen, then I forgot the names, demand gen, then video format. Yeah, a lot of types, right? Why we should use like only display campaign? Well, personally, if you ask me, I personally use for retargeting the people who have always visited my website one or two times, even more. Okay, I retarget them through display advertising campaign type because the CPC for each click is very low under the display advertising campaign type. Okay, now let's get started. So first of all, we need to choose a objective. It can be anything. I personally choose the sales one because I think we should use display advertising for retargeting the people or awareness or considerations. These two options I personally recommend the people to choose. Lead option also worth it, website traffic also worth it, but I would recommend 80% for this and 60% for this and 70% for the website traffic. Okay, this is my perception. Okay, let's go with the sales one. Now display. Now website, you can choose any website. Like you need to choose your website URL. I'm just choosing a random website URL. Okay, as of now, for example, non-veg restaurants in London, the first one. I'm just choosing the website URL. Yeah, let's go. And now you need to name the campaign. Okay, this is also a good name. Sales display. Now choose your country. Now as I search here London, so I need to choose London. Okay, now here location options. Now this is also a crucial part. For example, you want to target people those who are only in this particular location, which is London, England, United Kingdom city. I mean London city. You want to just target people those who are in London. Then choose the second option here. Okay, but if you want to advertise your ads or your campaign to the people those who are not only in the location but also in other location as well. For example, I'm running a real estate business. Okay, I want to sell my property. In that case, I need to choose the first option, which is those people are interested in this location. Okay, so it depends. These two options vary depending on the campaign type and the niche you are promoting. Okay, so as of now, as we are just promoting our restaurants, hypothetical, I'm just taking an example. So we need to choose the second one because restaurants is a local business, and local business means you need to choose the location according to your store location. Okay, second one. Now language, you can choose any language, English, and the best one is all languages. Ad rotation by default it optimize. You can choose date, like when you want to show your ad, the date, time, everything you can choose from here. I'm not choosing here, I'm just showing you what to do. Okay, now devices, you can exclude or include specific devices. For example, you want to advertise your ad only in mobile phones, then select this one and unselect this two one. Okay, now maybe you want to advertise your campaign only in Apple phones, then choose Apple's from here, iOS. Okay, this is a very good option. I'm not choosing anything here. Now dynamic ads. What is dynamic ads? Dynamic ads are the like automated ads actually. It handles and controlled by Google. For example, it depends. It, so these, so mainly there are two types of ad. One is dynamic, one is responsive. Responsive ads are not automated. These are normal ads which you will create right now. So it's a fixed ad. Dynamic ads are automated ads, and these ads changes according to the viewers demographic, interest, and behavior. Okay, I hope you get my point. Now let's give you an example, because it's a very crucial part to understand. For example, I love travel, but I'm promoting the restaurants. Now how Google will show the ad to me? Maybe Google will generate some images through AI related to travel, but also related to the food. Okay, and it shows me something, this option, something different, like ad copy. Okay, so this is under dynamic ads. And responsive ad is which I will choose for the uh, users. Okay, this is a responsive. I hope it's clear. Now I will cover this topic on a separate video, dynamic and responsive ads, so you should check my description for that. Okay, now let's move on to the next option, which is starting date and end date. You can choose a end date, you can choose a starting date as well. Okay, now the content exclusion is not important as of now. It's not important as of now. Okay, so next, now you need to choose a budget from here. I'm just hypothetically putting a budget 5,000 rupees. Okay, now conversion. Now here are three types of conversion values and viewable impressions. Okay, this viewable impression has a different game altogether, so we will discuss it in another video. But mostly me and other advertiser also prefer to choose the conversion in the display advertising campaigns. Okay, choose the conversion. Now under these two options, let me tell you one thing very interesting: the manual set bit and the automatic maximum conversions. If you choose the automatic maximum conversions, Google will take 1 to 5 days to complete the learning phase. Okay, but if you choose the manual set bits, then Google will take 1 to 2 days as well for the learning phase. So so you can choose whatever you want, but I personally want to choose and I personally choose which is manual set bit. Okay, you can also choose a bidding strategy directly from here as well. This is also another game altogether, so I will discuss it in another video. Okay, now here choose your audience segment, and it means like what your audience interest are, like they are into food or they are into travel, and select the here. Okay, set done. Then demographic, your audience age, gender, parental status, they are single or parents, like not a parent, so anything the, okay, household income as well. Now topics, keywords, add some keywords here as well, the URL. Okay, topics, topics means like topics should be related to the niche and the campaign type. As I'm just promoting non-veg restaurants, so campaign should the topic should be related to non-veg, non-vegetarian, something like this. Okay, something like the food, cooking recipes. Okay, something like this kind of topics you have to choose manually. Okay, I'm not showing into that because otherwise the video will be very longer. Okay, now placements. Now if you want to display your advertising and I mean ads to specific website or to specific YouTube channels or to specific YouTube videos or application category, then you need to choose from here. Let's take an example. Okay, this is the website. I want to show my ad to this website. Okay, now let's navigate to the website URL, copy the URL from here and paste it here. Okay, nothing is showing here. I don't know why. Let's find out from here. Okay, it's added. Okay, and you can add manually from here if it doesn't work. Oh, now done. Then next. Now this is the ad copy group. Now you need to create your ad according to your requirement. You one more thing also, you need to verify the business name before uploading your ad to the publish. Okay, the business name should be verified, number one. Number two is that the business name need to be uh, need to be same as your website URL and your verification name. Okay, so you need to check these two options, otherwise your ad will disapprove. Okay, now what happened? Select images, logos, videos. I do not recommend videos as of now, because we are just like, videos are okay, but if you can add the some eye-catching videos, okay, not the boring videos. Headings, long headings, add long headings. Descriptions, description needs I need to be two, five, need to be five, up to five. Okay, then you can also add custom call to action, color as well, the color which you want for the call to action button. Okay, these are not that much essential. Create ad, done. Now select next and it's done. Your ad campaign is done. Okay, my ad campaign will not show here, like it's some if like it's showing some errors because like I didn't complete the headings, images and anything like in the ad group, right? So I need to complete this first so that I can get the publish option. No, I'm getting the publish option. I don't know how. Okay, I don't know how they are showing the publish option, but just publishing. Okay, okay, my ad will never publish as of now because the ad group is not ready. So I hope you understand the video. If you like it, do check it out my other videos as well. And okay, so okay, one more thing also. Hold on. Like in the right hand left hand side, you will get to see the per CPC rate and the cost for 1 week running this ad. Okay, do check it out. So have a great day. Keep smiling. Bye bye.